We're back again with our backtesting strategy, and first thing first is market structure. You can clearly see, you can clearly see we had this, then you had this break here, then you had a continuation. That means the market is bearish. External structure, bearish. Okay, our change of character, the downside, external structure. Then have our continuation, break of structure to the downside. Then you have our swing high, which is here. Then you have our discount zone. Then you have our last sell to buy candle, our supply zone. So our plan is very, very simple. Plan, just wait for the price to come here, then we get confirmation, then we sell. And it's already New York. No, sorry. And our external structure, which is here. And our continuation to the upside. And our last sell to buy. And we didn't get that entry. I would have entered from here, but we didn't, and it's okay. And then have our break here, tunnel structure. Our demand zone just here. We need to see the internal structure shifting bullish, but it didn't happen. Then had our continuation. So here you can see now had the retest, but still you need to kind of break from here. Then you had that. Our entry point is just here. And this last candle, this one. It's a break here. Liquidity. Stop loss hit because of this liquidity down here. It's already late. That means we had to put our stop loss just below here. This break, that was our confirmation for the second trade. Just below here. This is a breaker block, buy breaker block, because it was a supply zone before. Then it became a breaker block. It was very, very clean. Now you can see that we don't need those tight stop loss just below the liquidity. It's better to put your stop loss just after liquidity is taken. And then you take that trade. It was a clean one, 1 to 8. Swing low. First demand zone. Extreme demand zone. This is also a demand zone here. This one is mitigated. You have this one here. Okay, let's see how it goes. Time is very, very important. Waiting for London to open. Then London opened. Then I need to see. Yeah. We missed that trade. Just few pips because my entry was just here on this 15 fairway mark. Chai. No, it's invalid. It's invalid because now it's on the next day. Let's see this liquid Gbpusd here. Then we got another entry. Yeah, what time is it? It's late in the night. I don't trade. Sydney, I have to wait. It's not yet. Yeah. Then we get our entry. It's more of a swing trade on 5. Don't just put a stop loss where you want. Have to place a stop loss according to the price and market structure. You got that clean tag, you can see it. And then you put our stop loss, our break even just here. Price come back again. It went how many? Up to 148 pips. I think at that moment you can take out 50% when you get more than 100 pips. But for me, I take out more than 75 pips. Sorry, 75% of my profits. Then I leave only the 25 to move. All right. Let's see. Then the price came back and hit our break even. Then you have to look for another trade from there. Let's see. But need to see this liquidity taken out before you take any trade. Boom. And then we change the direction. Let's if we get our entry. You see the price come and break this with the body candle close before you take a sell. Then what time is it? It's already late. It's already late. It's already late. %, yeah. Now it's morning time. We need to see the price come and take out this liquidity, and here. Then we need to see here the last sale to buy is our first demand. Continuation to the upside. No, it's like we missed something. Yeah. We missed a trade. This was. And we had this. This was a supply zone. Then later on it was disrespected, then it became our so we had to wait for the tap in, and then you get entry. Yeah, and boom, that was our entry from here. After this was disrespected, sorry, it was candle close up, then this was our entry. Yeah, just like that. 1-7 risk reward, breaker blocks, order blocks. This breaker block is just a disrespected supply. We have our continuation. demand zone. Yeah. Break even hit, because you had this move for like 70 pips. That means the moment you get up to double the risk, double the profits than your risk you put in, of course you put your stop loss to break even, went back to straight to break even, then automatically be out. The time, you don't need to hold for long. You hold either in London and New York session only. The moment New York closes, you also close your trade. You need to wait for London to open. Then London opens around here. Yeah. Stop loss just above Tokyo session, Asian session. Then we target 124, 124, it's better. Because we already got our confirmation from here, but London was closed. Then to break even. Supply zone, continuation to the downside, breakout structure to the downside. had news, super clean news, bam, bam. Then we continue down. That means our supply zone was valid. Then we had the pull. We need to see the H4, H1, demand zone. We need to see the shift. Yeah, then you can see then we get our clean tap. By breaker block. I didn't get that confirmation. I had news, I think. Yeah, that was news. Clean price action. This is extremely normal. You can have a good technical analysis, but still you don't get trades. It's normal. It's just you have to be patient to wait for the price to come to you and you take. Because like it or not, the market will always and always reward you to be disciplined. It's not it's not a sprint, it's a marathon, right? You don't need to jump in just because you see the market is leaving. The moment you have the skill, you have unlimited opportunities in the market to make money. You just have to be patient and disciplined. Got that clean tap and that clean tap and that confirmation to the upside, right? Yeah, you can see it. And we're taken out. Why? We had to put our stop loss just below here, below the swing low. That had to be our take profit. Stop loss here, then take profit there. And our demand zone had to go down to cover all the swing low. Okay. Yeah. Got that break. Then this was demand was disrespected. Then automatically it became our sell breaker block. Then we got that tag and that continuation. That was our entry to the downside. Stop loss just below that 30 minutes candle that disrespected this demand zone. Deep down to